today.
Ladies and gentlemen, music from the 78th Army Band, United States Army Reserve, right here at Joint Base MDL. Providing some entertainment for us this morning as we get ready. We're just moments away from the opening ceremonies of Day 2 of the Open House and Air Show. We've got a great lineup for you. We got a lot of fun, a lot of flying going on. You're going to have a great time, and it's all not costing you anything. That's amazing. What a deal. So we want you to have a lot of fun while you're out here today. We have aircraft on standing display on the far north end of the ramp. If you haven't made your way up here this direction yet, we've got the KC-10, we've got the AWACS, we've got the E-8, we've got the C-17, all on the far north end of the ramp area, available for tours. If you want to take a look at some of these aircraft on the inside, we have a number of other aircraft you can take a look at. But remember, please do not climb on board any aircraft unless you're given permission to do so. Remember, there's absolutely no smoking on the ramp area whatsoever. Absolutely no. N-O. No means don't do it. No smoking, okay? And we also want to let you know that if for any reason you need any type of medical attention, we have two locations, one on the far north end of the ramp and on the south end of the ramp area. You'll see these large tents. They're set up on the north side of the ramp area, and you can also see the signs out here. It says medical. It'll point you in the right direction. The KC-135 Stratotanker provides aerial refueling capability for the U.S. military for over 50 years with over 400 aircraft. It is operated by the 108th Wing of the New Jersey Air National Guard, an essential part of the total Air Force dedication to supporting the Joint Base. Piloting to today's KC-135 aircraft is Commander Mike Jewell and Major Dan Fielder. The boom operator is Master Sergeant Chris Howe. The KC-135R Stratotanker is assigned to the 141 Air Refueling Squadron Here, allow the National Guard to support the military command with mid-air refueling and air bridge support to overseas contingency operations and homeland defense. The KC-10 Extender is an advanced tanker and cargo aircraft designed to provide increased global mobility to U.S. Air Forces. It is operated by the active duty 305th Air Mobility Wing and the Reserve 415th Air Mobility Wing here at Joint Base McGuire-Dix-Lakehurst. Piloting today's KC-10 aircraft is Major Adam Mishka from Buffalo, New York, and Captain Ben Galapa from Buffalo, New York. Captain John Geis from Houston, Texas. Flight engineers are Master Sergeant Brad Fall from Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, and Technical Sergeant Alex Doe from Richmond, Virginia. Boom operators are Staff Sergeant Bryce Smith from Bel Air, Maryland, and Master Sergeant Justin Titus from Conway, South Carolina. High overhead, the C-17 Globemaster III, the newest, most flexible cargo aircraft in the entire Air Force. It's operated by active duty 305th Air Mobility Wing and Reserve 514th Air Mobility Wing here at Joint Base McGuire-Dix-Lakehurst. Piloting the C-17 today is Captain Chris Stevens from San Antonio, Texas, Captain Josh Reeder from Memphis, Tennessee, and Major James Salazar from San Antonio, Texas. The Loadmaster is Tech Sergeant Andy Klein from Statesville, North Carolina. The C-17 is capable of rapid strategic delivery of troops of all types of cargo all over the world. The aircraft can perform tactical airlift and airdrop missions as well as aeromedical evacuation missions to support the DoD